If you are into business on social media, and then this video is particularly for you, because most times clients or customers message you and you want to send them a link to your social media, and of course you're on Facebook, you're on Instagram, you're on LinkedIn, and of course it's going to be boring and unprofessional to start sending this link to them singly. So in this video I'm going to show you how to actually compile or link up all your social media to just one single page website called Card on the Milkshake application. My name is Ben, and I am a brand identity designer and motion graphics designer. And actually, in motion graphics design, I specialize in creating promotional video adverts, for brands. So, and in this channel, we talk about graphic design, brand identity design, motion graphics design, anything that has to do with finance, business, and freelancing. And with no further ado, let's get right into this video. Alright, so the application I'm going to be using for this is the Milkshake application, and it's totally free. And just that you might just need to pay, but it is not necessary that you're gonna pay, but you will actually need to pay, or you might pay just 400 naira just to remove the there is always this last page at the end of the page where they will signify that you used the Milkshake for that website or for that simple website. So if you just want to remove it, but if you don't want to remove it, fine, you can be using your stuff and no watermark, nothing, just free. So and the not only that you can actually create or link all your social media platforms to just one page or card alone, but you can actually create a mini website that you can actually run adverts to, or as a landing page. So just come to the Play Store and type Milkshake right here. So I already have the application on my phone, so there is no need to download it. So I will just have to open it here. So once you enter the Milkshake application, just create a new profile, a new account. Sign up. Put in you can use your email, your Google, your Apple, whatever, or your or your Facebook. So depending on what you want to use. So the first thing is to of course, now how this works is that you will need to create cards. So for example, now there are no cards right here now, so I need to create a new card. Now the card that we need to create here, since we want to link our social media platform to just one page alone, we just need to create, click on plus icon and come to link option. So select link. Now once you click on link, it's going to bring out templates for you to choose from. So depending on what you want, you can just go for any template that you want to go for. So I want to go for this particular one. So you can actually preview them by clicking on this edge here, this edge right here. So click on it to preview, so you see how it actually looks like. Now you can add, of course, you can see that there are 3 links here. You can actually add more than 3 links. In fact, you can add more than 10 links just on one page, depending on how many social media platforms you are on. Let's go back, and there are so many templates here, so I just want to go for this particular one. So let me click on edit. Then of course, once you click on edit, you can put the names, put in the name of the card, my social media links, my social media link. Alright, so once that is there, you can put in your image right here. So I would like to put in my own image right here. So just tap on the image and come to choose from library right here. So I think I'm going to be choosing from a random picture, so let me choose just this one for the sake of this video. Right, so card heading, you can actually put in what you do, or the kind of business you do. Actually, this should be my social media link, my social media links. Then subheading, maybe this could contain maybe a tagline or something like that, maybe a quote. So I just want to write your brand, your story. So Right here you can write in what you do, maybe a graphic designer. For example, I'm a brand identity designer and also a motion graphics designer. So and actually I specialize in creating video adverts, okay, for for businesses. And so I can actually put that right here. So brand identity designer. Alright, so once you're done with that, it's time to put in the main links. Alright, so like I said before, you can add as many links as possible. So right now we just have three spaces here to put our links in. But if you are not satisfied with just 3 links, you can add more links by clicking on add. So I'm just going to be using just 2. So let me get rid of this. I just need 2 for this video. I'm going to be linking this to my Instagram and to my WhatsApp. So right now I'm actually on my Instagram, so I need to copy the link to my Instagram. So come to this place, as these 3 lines, and come to settings. Now come to this place and come to actually come to this place and come to settings and come to follow and invite friends, and invite friends by, you can copy the link right here, then go back to your milkshake application, then click on edit. So this is Instagram, message me on Instagram, or just put in just Instagram so it doesn't look too long. Then of course the URL right here, so here is it. So we need to save this. Then of course my WhatsApp link here also. But currently I am on WhatsApp, so I'm going to come to these 3 dots and come to business 2. Now this is actually WhatsApp business, right? So it's just for business. So I'm going to come to short link. Right, so it's time to create a short link. Now you can embed a message here, so you can just put in any message that you want to put here. Hello, my name is. Alright, so once they click on the link, this is what's going to show on their chat box, so they can actually add their name, right? Maybe hello, my name is Udiaja Benedict, or my name is Faith, Favor, all of that. So I think I'm actually okay with that. So click on OK. So the link is actually set now, so I can actually copy it right here, right? Share link. I could share it or maybe copy it right here. So copy. Right, I've actually copied it. So time to go back to milkshake and WhatsApp, and then paste the link, save, and yeah, you're good to go. So come to preview. Right there, so of course you can see that it's actually showing right now. So the next thing is to actually publish it. And yeah, your card is actually ready. Okay, so you can actually share the link to this card. Just click on done and come to, of course you can see that it's actually ready right now. So how do you share this link to people? Just click on these 3 dots and come to share card and click on this. So I've actually copied the link, so I can actually send this link to anyone on Facebook, on WhatsApp. So once they click on it, of course they're going to have access to all my social media links. So when they click on it, they can view my Instagram, Facebook, my LinkedIn, any other social media platform. Alright, so just to show you how this actually works, I've pasted this link right here. So I will need to click on it and click on open. So I'm going to open with Chrome. Now once your clients or a customer clicks on this is how it's going to pop up. So your picture right here, and your social media link. So once they click on your Instagram, let's see how it's going to pop out. So yeah, let's still go with Chrome. Alright, so let me actually go with the app. So Instagram, once they click on it, alright, it takes them to your page and they can see what you do on Instagram. Let's go back again. And what if they click on your WhatsApp? Of course it pops up with the name, hello, my name is, of course they can put in their name and other stuff like that. Right, so of course, there are lots of the stuff you can do on the milkshake application, but this is just one. And so like I said, you can actually be using this for free. All right, just that if you want to remove this last card right here that is showing milkshake, this card is going to be there always. All right, it's going to be there always. So if you just want to remove it, so it won't be showing, once your clients or your business or your customer clicks on your link, of course this card is going to pop up. And if you don't want them to start seeing what you used for it, or for what you used to create the website or this mini website, then of course you can just click on this delete, and of course you need to pay. But actually I've actually subscribed to this, so I can switch or transfer my subscription from my initial account to this new one. That is one good thing about the milkshake. So if you have multiple accounts on milkshake, you can actually transfer your subscriptions. And so if you don't like to see, if you don't want your clients or your customers to see this page, of course you can go ahead and subscribe to the milkshake website. So it's actually daily, monthly plan. So and it's very affordable. I think it's not up to $1. So and I think it's just around 400 now, 500 now. So you can go ahead and just pay for it, and it's just monthly. Don't forget to hit the like button if this video was helpful, and also subscribe and turn on post notification so you don't miss out on any good content just like this one whenever we put it out on YouTube. I'll see you in the next video.